Welcome to Woodson's third annual virtual Back to School Night and an overview of the Geometry Honors course for this year. The two instructors for this course are myself, Lynn Schmotter, and Mr. Stephen Schmidt. This is my 13th year teaching at Woodson High School, my 13th year teaching. I'm actually a career switcher. In my first career, I was an engineer for the Department of Defense. And in addition to teaching Geometry Honors for the 10th year, I am also teaching Algebra 2 Honors this year. Mr. Schmidt is in his 5th year of teaching at Woodson and his 5th year of teaching Geometry Honors. He is also an AFTA instructor. These are a few of our hobbies, and I have included our nicknames in the title of the slide. Hopefully the kids will sometimes affectionately refer to us as these names. My hobbies are reading, listening to good music, listening to podcasts, and I love dogs, and specifically hanging out with my own dog, Lulu, who you can see in the photo at the right. Mr. Schmidt's hobbies include watching movies, traveling to new cities, boxing, and eating. The course is broken into 12 units, which you will see listed here on the left of the slide. I'll give you a moment to look over those. At this point in time, we are just finishing Unit 1, about to start Unit 2, which is a big unit for the kids because this is when they learn to use deductive reasoning to write proofs, which is a very integral part of Geometry Honors. Some of the procedures and routines. Most notably, we've listed here the fact that the Geometry Honors classroom is flipped and has been for the last 5 or 6 years. What this means is that the students will watch video lessons and take notes at home, and then the typical classwork problems are worked during the classroom time. This is a very good way of working the Geometry Honors classroom because there's so much vocabulary and note-taking involved in Geometry Honors. And since the kids are just learning how to write proofs, it is very helpful for them to be with their classmates and with their instructors when learning how to develop this important skill. Quarter grades are made up as follows. 55% of the grade will consist of unit test averages, 10% of the grade will consist of homework averages, and 35% of the grade will consist of quiz averages. We will have around 15 grades per quarter, with 3 being test grades, 3 quiz grades, and about 9 homework grades. For a complete listing of the grade policies and the course, please refer to the syllabus, which is linked in the slide. There is also a link for the syllabus in the Schoology class. A bit about attendance. Essentially, it's necessary to be successful. We expect students to be in class every day and be prepared with the lesson watched and notes taken and ready to learn. If students miss class, they should keep up by watching the videos on YouTube, checking Schoology, and checking in with their classmates. We also ask that during class time, students keep trips to the restroom and water fountain to a minimum. Class time is extremely valuable. Here's the contact information for Mr. Schmidt and myself. Please don't hesitate to email us or call us if you have questions or concerns. Thank you so much for your attendance, and we look forward to a great year.